Okay, I'm going to attempt a zucchini lasagna. So using zucchini instead of regular pasta noodles. So what I have is fresh mozzarella, and I'm going to use my salad shooter to grate that up with. Here's the grater part. And ricotta cheese. And I have ground beef. I have salt, pepper, basil, onion. I'm not going to use a lot of onion. And Ray's marinara sauce on this because I'm just kind of winging it. So we'll see how this turns out. I got this recipe from my sister-in-law, Amy. She just throws things together, and she came up with this recipe. But she doesn't have exact measurements because she just kind of wings it too. I didn't mention that you also need marinara sauce, and I use this Rayo's brand. It's the lowest I can find on the carb count. Heating my oven to 375. I have an 11 by 12 pan, and I'm going to spray it with avocado oil spray by Chosen Foods. I got this at Costco. And I'm going to brown my hamburger on top of the stove with just a little bit of onion and salt and pepper. I forgot about this ground beef that I had in the fridge. I had a half a pound that I needed to use up, so I'm going to use that instead of this other pack. So now I'm just cooking my hamburger and the onion until it's cooked well. The hamburger is cooked well. I added that soft cheese, and it looks a little weird, but you know, we're gonna go with it. It's better than it being processed and stuff added to it to make it cake up. So okay, so now I've cooked my hamburger, my onion, and I'm adding in about 2 cups of the Rayo's sauce to the hamburger and letting it saute a little bit. Okay, so now this is made, and we're gonna set this aside with the lid, and we're gonna work on the noodles. Okay, I've cut my zucchini into some thin strips, and we are going to grill it on my George Foreman grill before we put it in the oven, just like you do bacon in the keto world. I flipped them over. After a couple minutes, you want to get these nice grill marks on them. Then you'll want to put them on paper towels to try and get some of the moisture out of them. Okay, so I have these in layers under here drying out. Quite a few noodles. I probably made too many, but anyways. And in a bowl, I mixed a cup of cottage cheese, a cup of ricotta cheese, an egg, and basil, and salt and pepper. Okay, so our first layer here, we have noodles. Now we do a layer of the sauce mixture. Now I have a layer of this cheese mixture that we put in the bowl. And then the mozzarella cheese, and then we just repeat that whole step. Here I've added another layer of zucchini. I realize that I need more zucchini next time. Okay, there we have the final product. So this is going in a preheated oven at 375, uncovered, for 1 hour. Okay, I picked these up at Kroger's. I'm really excited to try these. They're by a brand, Mikey's. Certified paleo, gluten-free, grain-free, dairy-free, soy-free, non-GMO originals, 4 English muffins. And the macros are amazing. 2 net carbs. Ingredients are eggs, almond flour, water, coconut flour, apple cider vinegar, baking soda, egg whites, and kosher salt. And this is what they look like out of the package. So like there's 4 that come in a package. They come frozen. It says not to put them in the microwave. I thought this would be great with this lasagna. I decided to put it on a baking sheet in case it boils over. I got the pan a little full. Okay, here it is out of the oven. I think I overcooked it at the end, like the top of it got a little too brown, but it looks yummy, but it's going to be ages before we can eat it because it's so hot. Okay, so I toasted this English muffin, and oh my goodness, it smells amazing. I'm going to put some Kerrygold butter on it and have a piece of lasagna. Okay, here it is in the bowl. And you guys, this is delicious. I'm gonna type out the recipe, try to, the best I can for you guys. And the English muffin is amazing too. This is my lasagna that I packed to take to work. It held up really well. Here's the lasagna heated up. It looks a lot better. It's delicious.